So as you can see, things are a little different. We have moved to a new location as of like 7-8 months ago. Figured I'd give an update. I'm actually going to start making more videos again. Now that I've got a bit more of a better workspace all set up, a lot more cable oriented. What else can I say? Well, like I said, we downsized. We actually no longer do taxi stuff anymore at all. But still got a little front area that way. Got a new toolbox for myself. Assembly area, shipping, parts. A few too many garbage cans, but that's okay. But yeah, no, we're basically all the way only down to having the hard part stuff now. So all the speedometer stuff, all the oil and gas stuff, and as well as some gauges. And that's basically all we do now. And I'm going to be making more videos regularly, coming in the next few weeks, kind of thing. Nothing crazy, but kind of, I'm making this week, I'm going to do this next week, that kind of thing. I'm also going to be changing up the format and how I'm doing the videos. I'm going to be using the GoPro that I'm using right now. Hopefully it's working well and that you can hear me, kind of thing. I'm not really familiar with how GoPros work, other they're just kind of click the record button and they kind of go. But yeah, so videos going forward will be a lot less edited. There'll be a lot more kind of the act of me doing everything in real time. So I'm gonna get one of those mounts to go on my head or my chest or something like that. So when I'm making something, you can kind of see what I'm doing and see what I'm baking and so on and so forth. Videos won't be every like day or anything like that, or maybe one every couple weeks, something like that. Kind of whatever I think is interesting of it coming across my bench, kind of thing. That being said, I did get a new tool for my bench. I'll show it to you. It is this Milwaukee battery operated. It is the, let you see here, the 7 1/4 inch saw. I've locked it so it can only go up and down because I don't need it to swivel and cut corners, and I put a metal blade on it. Works really well. My old chop saw kind of died, and I was having actual difficulty finding the discs, or the cutting discs for it. So I just kind of went with this, and I have all the Milwaukee batteries, kind of thing, for all sorts of other stuff. I got like drills and things like that. So like I use this stuff all the time for adapters and things like that. So just kind of worked out that I keep the same ecosystem. So yeah, that's kind of a brief update about what's been going on in the last like 2 years. I realize I haven't updated a video in a while, but yeah, I'm gonna get into the habit of doing it more often again. But like I said, it's not going to be as edited and as structured. It's going to be a lot of this. Mainly that has to do with the fact that I just do not have the time anymore to sit down for 3-4 hours editing things. Yeah, that's basically it. I just don't want to. For anyone who knows about video edit, it's a lot of work, and I just don't have the time anymore. It's just as simple as that. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy the new format, the more off the cuff way of doing things, and yeah. The next video I'll upload will actually be about something. But till then, take care.